Hello, this is 3 day of vlogging challenge. I'm gonna stop saying the days because I keep. What are you doing?
Just adjusting it
Why?
because your hair was out of the frame.
That's fine. My head doesn't need to be in the frame all the way. This is my partner. I love him very much. I'm not wearing the ring because I keep forgetting to wear it. Today I got laid off from work, so to celebrate or to make me feel better, we went and bought a new fridge.
Standard thing to do.
Yeah.
Your partner gets laid off, you take them fridge shopping.
Well, you agreed to buy a fridge before, since I got our engagement ring for free.
What?
Yeah. Do you have anything you want to add to that?
We tried getting you ice cream.
We had to go up to the Yummy Yogurt to get ice cream, and it was chocolate caramel flavored. And I hate caramel. Don't move the camera. It's fine if my head is out of the shot. That is a normal thing. You've never taken a film class. Get out of here.
It doesn't sit right.
It's just fine.
Fix it.
No, this is fine. This is fine. This is fine. Yeah, but they had chocolate caramel ice cream, and I was not okay with that. So, no Yummy Yogurt. So then we went to the Safeway, and I bought some chicken and a biscuit, and some Pirate Booty, and a lot of Coke Zero. I have to buy my own Coke Zero now. Work used to provide Coke Zero, and I probably drank way too much of it a day. And I only started drinking the Coke Zero after I started working the night shift, because then I needed caffeine. I don't know. It's complicated. What is my life even now? I don't even work night shift anymore. Now I'm just a weird person with a random sleep schedule. Just like you.
See where my future.
Yep. Alright, that's almost 2.5 minutes, so I'm gonna call this the end. Do you want to say goodbye? Bye!